Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. And in today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Shein. So let me take you to the website, which is shein.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Shein is a global fast fashion e-commerce platform offering trendy clothing, shoes, accessories, beauty products, home decor, and lifestyle products at affordable prices. The company serves customers in numerous countries and is known for its extensive product selection, frequent new arrival, and mobile-first shopping experience, making it one of the world's largest online fashion retailers. So what are you waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, all the products, and if you want to buy something for yourself or for your family, go ahead and do that. But that's not exactly why we are here. As usual, we are here to earn money, and this time from Shane. How do we do that? We simply join the affiliate program, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we end up receiving commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission. No restrictions found. So regardless of your location as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of their affiliate program. However, for consumers, there's a list of approved marketplaces. You would only be able to receive commission if you bring consumers sales from those specific countries, and we shall talk about it shortly. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called Solvent Commerce. Now, what is Solvent Commerce and what do they have to do with Sheen? Solvent Commerce is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to start promoting Sheen, if you want to join the affiliate program, you must have an affiliate account with Solvent Commerce. So how do you create an account with them? Come to the website. I'm going to mention the link in the video description. Once here, you can click on sign up and start the registration process. Someone Commerce calls affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers, so don't get confused. Assuming you've clicked on sign up, it will take you to the registration page. You can start by entering the email address, password, or click on continue with Google and complete all the other steps that comes in the sign up process. I understand the many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Someone Commerce affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Someone Commerce affiliate account. Once you have an account with them, come to their website once again, hover over sign in, click on commerce. It will take you to the sign in page, enter your credential, and then it will take you to something called affiliate or rather publisher dashboard. This is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands as well, not just Shane, but we're gonna keep the focus on the affiliate program of Shane only. How do you find the affiliate program? Simply click on commerce and then merchants. Once you're here in merchants, you by default you'll be in preferred merchant. You can click on merchants in here and you can search for Shein. It will show up their line item. You can click on the hyperlink and then it will open up an overlay window with their affiliate program detail. Once here, you would be able to see all countries under select a country to see specific rates. So if you click here, you would be able to see all the list of countries. Now, these are the approved list of countries. That means if you're bringing sales to them from the consumers of any of this country, you can expect to receive commission from them. And if you see here, commission rate, that is between 1 to 15% commission. Depending on the country from where you're bringing sales, your commission rate would differ. For example, if I bring it from United Kingdom, then it's gonna be 1 to 15% only. So again, you can explore all different countries and see how much commission rate you can expect to receive. And to have more details, if you click here, that is network rates, you can see 1% on return customer status, 50% on default rate, 15% on chain purchase. So these are some rough notes about the commission rate. But to put it short, you can expect to receive between 1% to 15% commission on the sale amount depending on the consumer's country and of course the sales you're bringing from those consumers. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see domains. If you click here, these are all the approved domains for which you can create your tracking link. And then you got countries here. So this is the same set of countries we discussed while covering select a country to see specific rate section. And over here you got description as well for a quick intro about them. Now let's say you've read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. That's the beauty of Someone Commerce. Once you have been approved by Sovereign Commerce, you got access to all their brands. That means you don't have to individually apply to the affiliate programs of different brands available at Sovereign Commerce. So assuming you have been approved by Sovereign Commerce, you can start promoting Shein right away. Now to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use tracking link. How do you get or create your tracking link? You simply click on create a link. It will open up this window. You select your site from here and you enter the product URL. Let's say I want to create a tracking link for this page of Shein. I'm going to copy this landing URL. I'm going to come to this section once again. I'll mention it here in the product URL. I'll give it a name. Let's call it Shein webpage. And as you can see, this is eligible. I can click on create. What it will do, it will create a tracking link for me and it will copy it to my clipboard. If I paste it in here, see, this is my tracking link. So if I share this link with any of my audience, my traffic, it will take them to the specific landing page. And if they buy something, I get commission. This is how you can create the tracking link of any of the web page from the Shein's website. Now, all the tracking links that you'll be creating this way, you'll be able to find them by clicking on create and then going to the link section. As you can see, Shein web page link. So you can also copy the link directly from here. So this is how you can find the affiliate program of Shein and you can create a tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways. Still, I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have the approval from Sovereign Commerce, you can promote them anywhere on your website. Maybe homepage, maybe category page, wherever you feel like is more suited for your audience or your traffic. Then you got blog. You could create blog posts about different products available at Shein and put your tracking link with the blog post. People, when read those blog posts, if they like the product, they click on the link to buy, you get commission. Apart from it, you might want to create contents related to product reviews, outfit ideas, or seasonal collection on your website or blog. This could work in your favor as well. Then you got social media. On social media, you could use platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook. And you could create a number of content, be it video, reels, posts. And sure, whenever you're creating content and sharing it, don't forget to share your tracking link alongside with it. Then you got fashion and lifestyle website. These kind of websites are great suited for brands like Shein because people come to these kind of websites to shop, correct? So imagine you have such a website available as an affiliate. You can feature products available at Shein. Of course, you have to integrate your tracking link accordingly. This way, when people would come to your website, they like those products, they click, they buy, you get commission. Apart from it, the other kind of websites as well, which could be helpful here. So we got beauty websites, women's lifestyle websites, and shopping deal website. So as an affiliate, if you have such a website available, you might want to leverage those websites as well to promote Shein's product. Now, promoting is one thing, but there's a problem that most of the affiliates face is getting the right traffic. What's the point of promoting a brand if you're not getting the right traffic? Because without right traffic, there won't be conversion, meaning there won't be sales. So I've mentioned top three traffic sources for Shein, or rather the products. First one you got is YouTube. So on YouTube, you might want to create content on fashion reviews, outfit ideas, or shopping tutorial. Alongside that, you might want to share your tracking link or a link to your online presence. This way, when people would consume your content from YouTube, they could click on the link, they would be directed to your own online presence or directly to Shein's website, depending on how you're integrating your links. Then you got Pinterest. On Pinterest, you can have outfit inspiration, seasonal fashion boards, or fashion collections. And as we discussed about YouTube, you might want to share your link with those pins as well. Then you got Google SEO. So doesn't matter wherever you're creating your content, ensure you keep it Google SEO friendly. And you might want to target keywords like affordable fashion, clothing reviews, and style inspiration. This way, you could get organic traffic, which would actually convert. That means Shein gets more sell and you get more commission. Let's say you started bringing sales to Shein, where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the Solvent Commerce dashboard once again, the affiliate dashboard. Once here, you click on Commerce, and then you click on Analytics within Analytics Overview. Over here, you can apply the date range, apply filters as well, and you'll be able to see your revenue, sales, clicks, earning per click, alongside other details. You would be able to see your top content and top merchants. You also have an option to click on content from analytics section to see how your contents are performing. You can click on revenue to see how well you're generating your revenue. Again, you might want to update your data ranges, filters. You get to see all this different information. There will be a trend. There will be performance by merchant, content, link, and merchandise. Now, all the accumulated commission that you see here, you can expect to receive it from Sovereign Commerce. And to receive this commission, ensure you have updated your payment details. And to update your payment details, you can look at the bottom left hand side. You can click on this avatar icon, and from here you can click on payment. It will take you to the payment information page, and within that you'll be by default at payment settings. You can start by giving your address or personal information. You can click on next, and then it will take you to the payment method section where you can choose from local bank transfer or wire transfer. If you go with any of this method, you have to give your banking details. You could go with check as well, or you could go with PayPal. If you choose PayPal, then you have to give your PayPal email address. So this way you can choose the payment method from here and give the information accordingly. Click on next. It will then take you to the text form selection. Select the text forms that suits you, and then you can click on next, and that's it. You'll be at the done step and your payment information will be accepted. So this is how you can update your payment method and expect to receive commission from Sovereign Commerce for all the sales you're bringing to Shein. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Shein. You start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Shein. As an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I've created for you. There are premium as well as free resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Get any that you prefer. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.